Hey Spekit fam, I'm super excited to introduce the latest functionality we've launched to make it easier than ever to surface contextually relevant knowledge in real time to your team wherever they're working. As you already know, Spekit helps enable and empower your team across any app with help icons that automatically appear beside defined terms across any tool your team is using. Knowing the pain that goes into content creation, we allow you to use the same spec to define the same term across multiple applications. So for example, I can see in Salesforce, I have stage 2 defined on the opportunity, so I know when to move an op to the next stage. I also have the same spec defining stage 2 in Outreach, because the process for moving an opportunity to stage 3 is the same in Outreach as it is for Salesforce. But what if they're not the same? What if I want a separate definition in one tool versus another? With our latest enhancement, you can easily create separate specs for each definition and assign them to that specific app or URL to ensure your team is always seeing the most contextually relevant information. For example, here in Salesforce, I see type. I've designated type to be defined as a type of customer case. However, here in Zendesk, type refers to that type of ticket. As you can see, I have separate definitions appear as they relate to the process or tool that I'm using. So how did I do this? It's easy. Simply head over to the topic in Spekit and add the URL where you want those specs to be displayed. For example, I only want these specific specs to display in Zendesk, so I've added the Zendesk URL here. Save the topic and you're all set. That's it. Ensure Spekit help icons are enabled in that tool or app, and the appropriate specs will appear automatically. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@spekit.co.